Pacquiao.
Body shot.
Oh, ended up.
Look at that uppercut.
Stepping him up. I think we're gonna.
He's not gonna beat the count. That is it.
Natulala ang mga tao sa Amerika na paakyat si Manny Pacquiao sa ibabaw ng lona dahil sa sobrang husay ng ating bida. 14 wins, 40 knockout. Lahat ng kalaban ay pinaggapang ng ating kababayan. Siya na ang pinakamatinding Pinoy na boksingero ngayong era. Mas matindi pa kay Manny Pacquiao ang ating boksingero na maaari na makaharap at magpabagsak kay Canelo.
Back in the corner there, he was clubbing him around and luckily now, if you're in the corner, your job is to stop that happening.
Sobrang lakas po ng Pinoy na ito na may 14 wins lahat sa pamamagitan ng knockout, 100% knockout power ratio. Napahanga talaga si Terence Crawford, Dimitri Bivol, Arthur Beterbiev at si Manny Pacquiao na umakyat pa sa ibabaw ng lona para isuot sa ating bida ang IBA belt na kampyonato na napanalunan niya. At sa pinakahuli niyang laban sa bansang Amerika, natulala ang mga tao na nanunood sa venue sa sobrang husay ng ating boksingero. Grabe ang pagsisigaw-sigaw, hindi makapaniwala at kinilabutan talaga si Canelo Alvarez sa galawan ng isang Pinoy na pinakamalakas sa middleweight division. May isang pinakamatinding Pinoy na boksingero na lahat ng kalaban ay tinapos sa pamamagitan ng KO. 14 wins with 40 knockout na walang talo, 100% knockout power ratio. At ang pinakamatindi sa lahat, hanggang round 3 lang talaga lahat ng kalaban nito. Si Weljan Sandag Mindoro o mas kilala bilang Weljan Mindoro ay ang ipinagmamalaking boksingero ng bayan ng Dumingat, lalawigan ng Zamboanga del Sur. Siya ang tinaguriang The Triggerman ng Philippine boxing dahil lahat ng kanyang nakalaban ay pinabagsak niya sa ibabaw ng ring. Wala rin na isang nakaligtas na boksingero sa kamao ng halimaw nating pambatong ito. Bata pa lamang kasi ay hinubog na siya para maging isang napakatigas na boksingero. Walang humpay sa pagtatrabaho at kakaensayo at sa kanyang amateur career sa pagiging isang boksingero. Gumapang talaga lahat ng nakalaban nito kaya naging kampiyon agad siya at nakitaan ng talento. Hanggang mapadpad ang ating bida sa Bacoor, Cavite at dito na siya namalagi. Bitbit ang kanyang pangarap na maging world champion at tuluyan sa buhay ay magwawagi. Dahil sa mga impresibong panalong ito ay kinuha na siya ng MP promotion at lumipad na ang ating bida papunta sa bansang Amerika at dito siya sinanay ng gusto ng mga Amerikano para maging isang perpektong halimaw na boksingero. Nito lang araw ng Miyerkules, July 10 taong 2024 sa Plant City, Florida, bansang Amerika sa Probox TV event ay lumaban ang ating bida. Makakalaban niya rito si Tyler Goodjan ng bansang United Kingdom. Former bare knuckle champion ito na walang kinatatakutan. Pero round number 2 lang pala ang itatagal niya sa ating kababayan. Round number 1, walking bordado ang kalaban at ito agad ang agresibo sa kanilang laban. Kaya napapaatras ang ating kababayan pero tinatansya lang pala niya ang galawan ng kalaban.
Going to bare knuckle, Paulie, sport you know very, very well, but the toughness he learned in bare knuckle, he said, that's what's carrying me tonight.
Yeah, he had some success in bare knuckle. He was really successful over there and he did very well. Had some really fan favorite. And then you wonder what guys lie when they say when they make weight.
The easiest cut I've ever had in my life.
His team, you know, likening him to Manny Pacquiao. Well, he's 5'11", and the small package packs a big punch.
More a lot stockier. John, you'd like to see Goodjan maybe cut the ring off a little bit. He's trying to put that mental pressure. Be better off cutting off the ring on Mindoro.
Talk to Goodjan. They talk about tactics so much as toughness. The idea that Mindoro isn't like that much. He hasn't fought a lot of great
Slickness to the head movement. Mindoro's having trouble getting to him. Goodjan gonna hurt to the body now. He's getting hit with some big shots.
shoot in between. One of those hard, big shots.
He's still throwing good body shots from Champ. I still think he's strong since 2011. You know, solid pro for him. Oh, good shot.
Nice uppercut.
Basically misses.
Sa round number 2, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang paghihirap ng kalaban nito. 3 beses itong babagsak sa napakatinding kamao ng ating pambato.
In the distance, Osborne has heard 9 times.
Punchers don't punch the same way when they're on their back foot.
Random case of attack from Mindoro.
You guys talk about it all the time.
Oh,
Good
good
shot
shot.
from Mindoro. Down goes good.
Parang trumpong lasing, hilong-hilo ang kalaban ng matamaan ng solidong kamao ni Kabayan, pero nagkunwari siyang okay at muling lumaban, kaya kalbaryo lang ang sinapit niya sa ating kababayan.
Let's see if he holds. He probably should hold it.
Such thing as being too tough for your own good. And good job getting into a firefight. Doesn't have his like second knockdown of round number 2.
He's going to take his time here. Let's see.
I was going to say, going punch for punch with a puncher like Mindoro, not a good idea for Good John.
Legs aren't under him. Could this be it?
How much time does he have? He's got 30 seconds, 25 seconds. Let's see if he's able to get out of the round.
Couple more clean shots and referee to the step
He may
in.
have to hold here. Let's see if he holds.
Oh, body shots too.
Not the holding time.
Punch in between. Can't knock the heart of Good John.
Trying to fight fire with fire, and it's over.
Nagulat talaga at kinalabutan ng mga Amerikano dahil sa napakatinding ginawa ng ating pambato. Nito lang araw ng Sabado, November 9, taong 2024, sa Osceola Heritage Park, Florida, United States of America, ay muling dumayo ang ating bida. Makakalaban niya rito ang matangkad na Brazilian knockout artist na si Lucas De Abrio, pero katulad ng mga naunang boksingero na nakalaban ng ating pambato, 3 round lang din ang itinagal nito sa ating boksingero. Sa round number 1, nakikipagsabayan pa dito ang Brazilian na kalaban, pero kahit na matangkad dito ay unti-unti na siyang na-overpower ng ating kababayan.
He does take punches pretty well, even the big punches. So now we're talking about this off-air. Mindoro kind of reminds us of Lester Martinez. Stock, he's built like a you-know-what house. Yeah, a little more, very, very similar in terms of his style. He bang you, beat you up, can be lured into, making those mistakes because he's too trigger-happy. He kind of work his way through this, maybe just overall, 120 amateur fights at a good level in Brazil. Another Fight Blocks TV. Rarely in reach in amateur pedigree, like you said, you can't find him just in that fight. Tough dude, British guy, pretty basic. Which makes him fun, but yeah, it also makes him very close. Fighter from Brazil, still in it.
Sa pagpasok ng round number 2, pagdaan ng maladiwatang ringer ay biglang nag-init ang dugo ng ating boksingero at napabagsak niya dito ng 2 beses ang kalabang Brasiliano.
Difficulties in combat sports. Pacquiao was actually victim of some head clashes. Just finished his era. So yes, I agree with him. I see a lot of guys mimicking that style, getting over those skis quite a bit. Good right hand. So, hold that lead in. Oh, for some reason I hear Teddy Atlas. See, close your eyes and hit the guy. Oh, big right hand and down. Couple extra seconds, Mindoro trying to swarm another knockdown.
Na-save by the bell pa ang kalaban, pero halatang halata dito na di na niya kayang lumaban.
By the bell in round number 2. That looked like a brain was stopping.
Sa round number 3, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang paghihirap ng kalaban nito. Isang napakatinding brutal knockout na pagkatalo ang sasapitin ng Brazilian na boksingero. Natulala talaga si Edgar Berlanga, kinilabutan si Canelo at palakpakan palakpakan ang lahat ng mga Amerikano nang masaksihan ng lakas ni Weljan Mindoro na balang araw ay magiging world champion na natin ito. Nito lang araw ng Biyernes, December 6 taong 2024 sa United Arab Emirates, Dubai ay muling dumayo ang ating pambato. Makakaharap niya rito ang knockout artist ng bansang Australia na si Joel Camilleri, pero katulad ng ibang boksingero, round number 4 lang din ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato. Round number 1 nagtansyahan ng dalawang boksingero pero lamang kaagad dito ang lakas ng ating pambato.
The black trying to trim with gold is the youngest. Introduced the KO of the year candidate Highland Good John, getting him out of the innocent hold and the rest of Shields of course. Mindoro, a straightened figure, then he'll start looking for the man from Melbourne. Sydney to manage the Costa Zoo, who's moved into that this year. Right cross, left upper, left hook to the body, left hook on his side, landed by Camilleri. That the right hand and left hand wandering around his quad and kneecap. Puts his man back across the ring. Remember, both men skating an identical 17 attributes from left and right. It's Camilleri. John Mindoro to pin him against the ropes, bring him square in him. He get the power driving right cross and unload a couple of punches to the body. Left hook after turning the table, landed by Camilleri. Compared to the opening round of boxing.
Sa round number 2, hindi rin basta-basta ang lakas ng kalaban at nakipagsabayan siya sa ating kababayan.
Right hand to the body, followed by left hook upstairs from Camilleri, but then Mindoro backing his man across the ropes with a forward foray, but keeping his composure under fire and answering with a single was Camilleri. Together with the right uppercut, pulling the trigger first against the trigger man is Camilleri. Now backing him up, continuing to be, oh, what a beautiful left jab by Mindoro. Around the kneecap, just cracked right into his face to disrupt his forward movement. Beautiful shot with that lead left from Camilleri. Camilleri goes by the nickname of Kamakeo 14. Camilleri, figure up in the boxing ring as he circumnavigates, his back skimming against the ropes. Turns the table. Mindoro made his man miss Mary. Just give you the impression that he's controlling the tempo and he's setting the tempo.
Round number 3, malakas talaga ang kalaban at pinahirapan din si Kabayan, pero ibang klase po ang ating pambato dahil binaliwala niya ang mga suntok ng Australiano.
Pinned in his own corner is Camilleri, keen to try and fashion a clinch, but then just, oh, beautiful two-shot salvo to the body from Mindoro. Perhaps his best punches and got real leverage onto his shots, but now it's Camilleri walking down the knockout artist and he's teeing away to the body before cuffing away with a right hook to the Asian Continental title at 75 kilograms. But sometimes the puncher's instinct can be to just dig away harder. And even though they say that to this point, having made his debut in 2019, Camilleri with a cuffing right hand and then tying his man up, supports him back, offering the half cover guard. There he finds an overhand right and left hook, 12 fisted pedometer as he glides around the perimeter of the ring. Camilleri, Mindoro, again, when Andy and I were observing him work out at the Rocky Road Gym, as a flashing left-right combination catches the advancing Mindoro from Camilleri. Walked his man down, but Camilleri landing with the inside of the glove, and then an altogether cleaner right hand, and another one from Camilleri, followed by left hook, boxing beautifully off the ropes as Mindoro tries to respond with a right uppercut of his own. But he's walked back across the ring by Camilleri to smother the man from the Philippines, looking for a right hand off the back foot, and a very clever display once again.
Dito sa round number 4, tatapusin na ni Kabayan ang paghihirap ng kalaban. Sobrang lalakas ng kamao ang pinakawalan ng ating boksingero. Ilang beses binalangang nakatayo ang kalaban, kaya walang nang nagawa dito ang referee at itinigil na ang laban.
Back to the ropes and lands with a right cross. Clever boxing out of the corner from Camilleri, who's remained responsible. But now he's beginning to be teed off upon by Mindoro. Is this a stoppage? No, it's a standing count. So, ref against Camilleri. Oh, that's a beautiful right hand on the resumption, but now Mindoro has got his man going and he's seeking to demonstrate that he is a precise and merciless finisher once again. It's an awful long time to negotiate. Beautiful left hook, but then a right hand in response from Camilleri. But Mindoro really is finding the range on his punches now and wearing all of them a standing count. Back into the breach, steps Mindoro. Senses that he's got his man going. His referee's respite. The referee wipes the gloves clean, and he's walked onto a shot, which was an uppercut, which sends Camilleri to the canvas to take the second count of the light Mindoro. That could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position, bobbing and weaving, trying to hold up, but he's taken a right uppercut, and the towel has come in from Dino Billinghurst.
Napahanga lahat ng pinakasikat na boksingero ngayong era sa galing ng ating bida na posible talagang humilera sa pinakamagagaling na boksingero ng Amerika. Nito lang araw ng Sabado, June 7 taong 2025 ay muling dumayo ang ating pambato sa Boeing Center, San Antonio, Texas. Makakaharap niya dito ang isang undefeated na Mexicano. Napakatindi nito sa record na 8 wins, 6 sa pamamagitan ng KO at walang talo. Siya si Omar Munguia ng Mexico, ang pinakahalimaw nila na boksingero. Pero sa laban na ito, first round lang ang itatagal ng Mexicano at matutulala talaga ang lahat ng mga tao na nanunood sa venue. Si Weljan Mindoro ay ang pinakamahusay ngayon na boksingerong Pilipino. Siya ay nagmula sa hirap at patuloy na nagsusumikap. Di na magtatagal ay matutupad niya lahat ang kanyang pinapangarap. God bless everyone.